Welcome to VoiceBootcamp, a global name in unified communication. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan, Cisco Collaboration Instructor at VoiceBootcamp. In this video, we're going to talk about call start and call end action. VXML server can be configured to run a specific code when a call has received, but before the call flow has been started or visited. The call start action can be implemented to either using Java API or via XML or XML API. Call start action is a good way to create things like session data that is to be used by the rest of the application. You can also take certain actions like opening a database or some other common task that may be required throughout the application. There are two situations where session data may already exist within the call, so therefore you may not need to create that. For example, if the voice browser passed the additional argument to the VXML server when call was first received through the applications. And second scenario where you call from one application to you are calling another application, and you can pass various session data or element data from the calling application to the next one. So in that scenario, you may already have enough session data to work with your applications. But there are situations where you may need to create certain session data before even the VXML script is started. Now the Java API, when we use call start action, which is built into Java by implementing a class known as start call interface. It contains a single method called onStart, which allows you to execute the call start class. Now this method receives a single argument, an instance of call start API. This class belongs to session API, as we spoke about session API in the previous video, for example. And it is used to access and modify session information such as session data and many other session informations from the session API. Now, this method does not have a return value. It is expected that if there is an unrecoverable error, then this class will throw an audio exceptions. Now, the call start action is also given the ability to change the voice browser and any root document or parameters, VXML parameters that you may need to change as your VXML application start. These changes apply to current call only and does not affect any other calls. Now, by allowing the voice browser to change, the application can be deployed in a multiple voice browser at once by simply using DNIS information to check the outputted voice XML